So today I'm going to show you how to rearrange apps on the home screen of your Sony Smart TV that's running Google TV. Now, this is very simple. On the home screen, so just make sure you go to the home screen. You want to scroll down to your list of apps and then scroll horizontally all the way to the end of that list, and you should see two options: Reorder and Add Apps. So go to Reorder, select that, and then now you can highlight the app you want to move. Let's say you want to move the media player to the left. So select it, and then you should see two arrows on either side of that app. Then that means you can now use the direction button on your remote to move the app exactly where you want, and then press OK, and it's gonna sit there. And then now you can go and move a different app. Let's say you want to move the timer and clock app. You can move it exactly where you want, and then press OK to release it. And then you can do this for all the apps and rearrange the apps exactly the way you want. Once you're done, make sure you scroll down and select Done to save those changes. Thanks for watching and good luck.